Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channels. Aslam Manzoor here. So in this video we are going to learn about how we can integrate our different tools with GoHighLevel, like how to integrate your Stripe account, how to integrate your Facebook, how to integrate your Google account, and even you can how to link your Google My Business account as well. It's super easy, and it's just this video is for beginner only. So I just simply log into my GoHighLevel account. By the way, that's my own agency. I just white label it. Simply log into your sub account, and after that go to setting, and after the setting here you can see integrations button. Just press the integrations button. Let me make my heart small and put aside. Yes, here you can see you can integrate different tools here. Like first of all, you can integrate your calendar here. It's a super easy. You can just one click on it and it will be automatically integrates. And here you can connect your Google account. It's also super easy, just based on a one click. And if you have multiple Google accounts, so you can use it here. So for example, I'm going to use this one. I'm going to select properties as well. So that's basically for Google Analytics, but it's up to you. You want to use as a Google Analytics, and you want to use as a Google account. And also here you can link your all other accounts. For example, there is a multiple sub account sub users, so they can all add their calendars and their all other things as well. So here you can link your Google My Business account, and you connect your social account. It's super easy. Just simply click on it and you can just continue with your Facebook ID. It will ask for one more step and it will be automatically linked with your with your Facebook and Instagram account. And if you want to manage your invoices via QuickBook, or you want to manage your leads via QuickBook, and if you're a QuickBook expert and you want to integrate with GoHighLevel, it's a super easy. You can simply go to integrations and go to your QuickBook and just click one click you can add here. And same here for Wave. If you want to integrate Wave, just simply click on it, and after that integrate Wave. Just log into your Wave account and you can manage your invoices and everything here in a just simple one platform. So GoHighLevel is also known as a all-in-one platform, so that's why you can integrate your all accounts. If you want to account your CEO account, you can link here. Stripe is just simply click on it and you can add your Stripe account. Stripe account is already linked, so that's why I'm not going to link with Stripe. So I just go back. And same here, if you want to integrate Shopify, it's also super easy. For that you need API key. I will explain in the next video when I create dedicated Shopify integrations with the GoHighLevel. I will explain each and everything here. And you can also integrate your TikTok as well, and LinkedIn, Slack, and Paintful as well. Also you can link your WooCommerce and you can track your all products and sync your products, customer orders, each and everything you will be link here, and also integrate your WhatsApp as well. So these all are tools you can integrate manually, and GoHighLevel allow you, but those tools they are not able to integrate, like for example we can say those tools that not available in this list. So what we can do, we can go to simply app marketplace and you can search here app of the tools. For example, we want to link Pabbly. Here you can see we have Pabbly app, or we can say we can link any other tool like ClickUp. So we can just search here ClickUp, and here we have ClickUp app, and we can simply install app, and after that we can simply integrate with ClickUp as well. So the tools that GoHighLevel offers, you can simply go to integration setting and you can integrate. And if those tools are not work for you and you have some external tools, so you simply go to the apps and install their relevant app and install it, and it's super easy to use it in under GoHighLevel. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you need any GoHighLevel services, simply go to leadsflex.com and book your free consultation, and I will jump with you on a call and I will guide you step by step how I can improve your GoHighLevel and how you can improve your growth. Thank you so much for watching this.